Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing a clean source and uploading it to the AI subtitle tool because transcription accuracy depends on signal quality. Once uploaded, set the spoken language, expected speaker count, and timecode format so the model timestamps correctly. You'll also select output style, captions or subtitles, and desired accuracy level. Make sure to enable punctuation and optional profanity filtering. These small switches change how readable the result will be. Start processing and wait for the machine transfer. Once the draft is ready, go through it line by line. Correct names, technical terms, and punctuation so viewers can follow. You should split long sentences into 5 to 3 second readable chunks and set max characters per line for a comfortable pace. Then sync problematic sections using waveform zoom or playhead nudges to match lip movement. Make sure speaker labels are applied when voices change, and verify that captions don't overlap scene cuts. This careful editing greatly improves comprehension and accessibility. Finish by exporting your subtitles in the correct format for the platform, SRT or VTT for upload, or burned in MP4 for fixed captions, and choose UTF-8 encoding for special characters. Then test playback on at least 2 devices and inside the target player to catch encoding or sync quirks. If lines drift, rerun forced alignment on the affected segment or apply a global time shift. If words are wrong, correct the transcript and re-export. One troubleshooting tip: noisy sections often need manual re-listening and retiming.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.